Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, on the VeChain chart, we're currently holding still above the key support levels. So we have this support area between 1.56 cents and 2.2 cents here in yellow. This is the main support region for a bullish scenario. Ideally, however, we even hold the 78.6 retracement. The 88.7 is quite deep. I can tell you that the structure at the moment doesn't clearly convince me. It's not clearly bullish yet. We haven't really formed any structure from any low that would be in any way convincing. There's no impulse to the upside, which just explains why the structure has been so choppy over recent months. Okay, I mean, if there is no impulse from a low, the market hasn't really made a full decision. The market isn't committing at this stage. So in this case, you just need to be aware of the key levels and the relevant support levels and breakout points. For me, the overall bullish scenario is still valid. At the moment, I'm still cautious, however, because the price hasn't clearly confirmed a low yet. And also the structures from the low aren't great. However, I mean, if some kind of an alt season or something bullish is playing out, I mean, it should ideally start from this region. Okay, there isn't much more space to the downside. I mean, as I said, 1.8 cents is next support and then 1.56 cents, because at some point we will get an invalidation of the so-called 1-2 setup that has formed, which is the bullish structure, for which we are offering here the support area, which the price could use as a jump-off point to start a third wave rally to the upside, which would be bullish. The invalidation point is the red line down here and is located at 1.35 cents. In the very short term then, the question is, okay, have we already bottomed on the 5th of August in this wave 2 in yellow? If that's the case, the initial move up is a wave 1 in 3 waves. Then we had a pullback in wave 2. The third wave then should also be a 3-wave move. And the first ideal target for a third wave is the 3 cent level in this case, the 1.38 extension. So there's a bit more work to do for the bulls. If we get to that level, then we can call that a viable third wave. Then I could add support for a wave 4 and we can watch for a 5th wave rally. If we get all these 5 waves completed, then this would be a confirmation that on the 5th of August, a substantial low has formed, and we can then call that a proper 5-wave pattern to the upside. And the pullback would be a 3-wave move. We would then be watching for a higher low in the pullback, and the price should then move higher. We need 5 waves. At the moment, we haven't got 5 waves. Without a 5-wave move up, we haven't got confirmation that the trend is shifted to the upside. Well, maybe on the smaller time frame, but it would need to give us also a little bit more impulsive price action from the low. Now, within this scenario in yellow, the price is even holding above micro support. So the orange support region is relevant for the yellow scenario. The yellow box is relevant for the larger time frame scenario, whereas here the smaller pullback area relevant for an internal B wave in wave 3 in yellow. And here support is at 2.08 cents. Any break below it could send us down to 1.8 cents next. What is needed now that we can get a little bit more convinced about the direct breakout scenario? Well, I'd say a move above the September high at around 2.7 cents would be needed as first indication that we're heading higher in wave 3. And then again, next target 3.05 cents in wave 3, maybe higher. Then I can offer a support area for wave 4. But we first then need a top in wave 3. Only then I can add support for wave 4. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.